Hey guys, it's Daniel from Walker.
And I'm Tom.
What are you doing? You know we've got another one of these videos to shoot.
I know. And this video is about one of the coolest events that we're going to have at the Walker family reunion, the Walker Skates.
What are the Walker Skates?
Well, when Dean Walker was a teenager, he had this great idea to make a go-kart, kind of like this. And this is what he came up with.
This is sweet. How does it work?
Well, Daniel, you control your speed by your right hand, and then you brake with your left hand.
And you just lean like this to turn?
Yep, you do. You just lean with your body to steer.
So they're gonna have these at the Walker reunion?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, we're gonna have this big old course where you can learn how to drive first and then go on the main course and have lots of fun.
Well, I know what I'm gonna be doing during the reunion.
Yeah, great idea. I think I'm gonna be there too. And there's gonna be so many other great events at the Walker family reunion. So if you haven't registered, make sure you go to walker.com/reunion.
And we'll see you in a few short days.